How to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add or remove the C translation option on your Instagram bio. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing you have to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And from here, what you want to do is head over to your profile section. Now you'll just have to edit your profile bio by tapping on the edit profile. And from here, you can just tap on your bio. As you can see, I've written something in Japanese, but if you have something written in English, you won't be able to see the free translate option. But if you write something other than English, then you will be able to see the C translate option. So just change your bio to something else, some other language. As you can see here, I am not able to see my C translate option, but let me just switch to my other account. So now I am logged in with my other account, so I'm just trying to view the bio, and as you can see here, I have the C translation option, and it's showing me the translation. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.